Okay, we have a big week coming up for Palantir stock, jam-packed week. The stock just hit all-time highs on Friday, and guys, it might be going higher. We have to break down the charts, my thoughts, what I'm looking to do. But first, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe, as now we're on the road to 100,000 subs. We just hit 50K, guys. I appreciate you all, as always. And do not forget to get your 30 stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account using that link down below. Fund it with at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Fund it with at least $2,000, you get 25 more stocks, and your uninvested cash now will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, cheers to that. It's a no-brainer. Check out the link down below, or again, go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And now let's get into it. So Palantir, it's been a ride. What a ride it's been. The stock never ceases to amaze me, man. We hit another all-time high on Friday. We hit over $120 per share for, I think, the first time ever, right? I think, did we peak above it maybe a couple of days ago? I don't think we did, but we definitely did on Friday. We hit almost $121 per share, and it was a bit choppy after that, no joke. It was all over the place. You guys see it right here, but we still ended up closing up 1% on the day in the midst of a pretty rocky day for the overall stock market on Friday. I'm not sure if you guys saw it, but we had some red in the Dow, some red in the Russell, not the Dow, the S&P pretty much broke even, and QQQ went up a little bit. But yeah, Palantir just crushed it, man. Hitting another all-time high, having a nice green day in the midst of that rockiness for the indexes. What more could you ask for here, guys? So we opened up at about $117, $16-ish on Friday. We popped to about 120 in the first couple of minutes of trading, no joke. And like I said, there was a lot of volatility, man. We went from 117 to 121, down to 117 again, back to 120, chopped around there for a little bit. But overall, guys, we're heading in the right direction. If you guys take a look here on this 30-minute chart, let me get this channel tool ready. This is one way you can look at it, right? PLTR was trading sideways for a couple of days. You guys see it right here. If I zoom in, for about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6-ish trading days. And then on Friday, we finally took out the resistance. You guys see right here, we were struggling to break above 118, 118.50, 119. And then on Friday, we broke right out of there, right? You guys see right here, we broke right out of it. We hit 121, like I said, fresh all-time high. And not only did we break out of it, but we then pulled back and we closed above it and we consolidated above it for a couple of hours. And by above it, I mean above the old resistance. We're now holding it as support. This is ideal. This is ideal for Palantir, guys. And we're not fully breaking out of the channel yet, the sideways channel, range, whatever you want to call it. But we're starting to see signs of it. We're starting to see signs of it. And Monday, tomorrow, guys, the market is closed. Keep that in mind. So we're not going to have any trading, but I'm telling you, man, this on Tuesday, maybe at some point later in the week, we could go higher, in my opinion. We already broke out of 118, held it as support. We have an ascending triangle here within this sideways channel. You guys see this? I think I called this out in my last update on Palantir a couple of days ago. That's playing out, right? The ascending triangle within the channel is playing out. So all signs, technically speaking here, are pointing to more upside. Even though people are saying Palantir is overvalued, it's due for a pullback, it needs to crash. We're not seeing that. We're not seeing any signs of that crash, pullback coming. Sure, it could happen at some point, no doubt, in the future. It could happen, but as of now, as of this video, based on the charts that I'm seeing, we're not getting that pullback, guys. If anything, like I said, we're starting to break out. We just hit an all-time high. We traded sideways for a little bit. That's all it needed for a cool off period, it seems like. And now we're starting to push higher, right? The ascending triangle's playing out. We're above both moving averages on this 30-minute chart. We have a golden cross. I mean, guys, what more could you ask for from a bullish standpoint here? This looks really good if you ask me. Even though people are saying it needs to pull back, it doesn't look like it wants to, guys. That's the thing here. It will pull back eventually, though, but as of now, we're not seeing it on the charts. So what do you guys think? I'm curious. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Another all-time high was hit. Unreal. And let me know where you're at in the stock if you want to. Do you own it? Do you not own it? What's your average cost? I'm curious. Mine's $21, guys, and I'm up now almost 500% on my position, which is unbelievable. It's mind-blowing, right, guys? And I'm not selling. I'm not buying more either at these levels. I'll be honest. I'm not buying at these levels, but I'm just holding on. I'm holding on, and we'll see. We'll see where it takes us, guys. This week is going to be interesting. And again, tomorrow, Monday, the market is closed. It's President's Day, so keep that in mind. But, yeah, Tuesday we'll be back with a lot of action, and I'm freaking excited, guys. So that's a quick rundown on what PLTR looks like right now as of Friday, heading into this brand new week. What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and let me quickly run through some other stocks here. But actually, wait, before I do that, make sure you guys join my email list. It's free, and I send out my top stocks weekly right to your inbox. Put your first name and your email address using that link down below. It's a no-brainer, guys. It's free, straight up value. Get in there. So let me show you now some other stocks I'm watching heading into this week. CRM, Salesforce, is one that I've been eyeing up for a little bit here. Pretty beaten up. Earnings are coming up here in, 10 days from today. So not this week coming up, but the week after that. It looks like they're on the same day as NVIDIA's earnings on the 26th. That's a Wednesday. So let's see if something can spark a rally in CRM stock. I think it's overdue. We've been downtrending now for a couple of months. You guys see it here on the chart pretty much ever since early December, really ever since the last earnings report. This stock shot up about $50 after earnings last go around, and it's been selling off since. Now we've given back that entire game. This is the definition here of elevator up, stairs down. Have you guys heard that? Usually it's it's the opposite, isn't it? It stairs up, elevator down. You guys have heard that saying, stocks take the stairs up, elevator down. Well, this is the opposite. It took the elevator up, last time earnings came out, and it's been taking the stairs down. But I don't think it's going to last much longer. I think CRM in the low, mid 300s here, right after earnings come out, I think it will get bought up. I'm not buying it yet. I'm not a big earnings guy, earnings trader. I'll wait till after earnings come out, even though that means I might miss the move. It is what it is. It also means I'll save on the loss if the stock goes down and I'm wrong, right? I've learned that lesson so many times, guys. Trust me. But CRM definitely at the top of the watch list here over the next couple of days. Let's see what else here. Yeah, I mean, we don't have to go too crazy. I did talk about a lot of stocks in my previous video, 10 actually, that just reported earnings, or not just reported earnings, but they're about to report earnings this upcoming week. So, yeah, we might as well just wrap it up here, man. I don't want to drag it on too long. If you guys want to see 10 more stocks, check out my previous video from today. It's a banger. It's about 30 minutes long, 25 minutes long. So make sure you guys go check it out. It's the previous video. And yeah, hit the like button on this one. Don't forget to subscribe here on YouTube and get your 30 stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account, fund it with at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Fund it with at least $2,000. You get 25 more stocks, and your uninvested cash now will earn up to 8.1% APY. Guys, it's a no-brainer, so use that link right down below or go to StockSurfFest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.